we got a 2022 Hyundai Ioniq 5 key fob. This is how you open it to replace the battery. Flip it over, there's a button right here. This releases the emergency key if we hold down the button and pull the key out. That's going to allow us to pop this back door open, okay? So if we look right here, on this side right here, use a flathead screwdriver. There's a little lip right here that we're going to use to pop the back up, like that, all right? Battery's on the back side. We just pop it right out, show you what size it is. So you're gonna need a CR 2032. If you need one, you wanna get it from Amazon, there's a link down in the description box. Positive sign is facing down. None of the writing is facing outwards, okay? So positive sign facing down, and you just get the other half and put it together. It should snap like that. Emergency key goes in. And if it locks, you are all done.